Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make a recipe. You can see this is that red bhaji stalks. You can see this, and I will put some tomatoes in it and make one recipe. I hope you all will like it. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, I will put some pachforan. I will put in the tomato. I will put in the bhaji stock. Put some salt. Put some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Put some jeera powder. Put some dhania powder and add some water. I hope you all will like it. Thanks for watching my video.